Hey guys, I just made a batch of grandma sauce. So I used the leftover to season my fajita. So this one is some fresh beef from, it's all organic, I think. Yeah. And then, so first thing I did, I washed the meat and I also put some lime juice on it, then rinse it again. So then I pour the grandma sauce. You can see how thick and consistent. It's just delicious. This is so good. And then you can like marinate it for like 30 minutes or you can leave it overnight. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave it overnight, and tomorrow after work, then I can just cook it. So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make fajitas the Haitian way. This has been marinated overnight in some grandma sauce, but you can use whatever marinade that you like. And try to separate them, that way they can cook well. This is a cast iron, well, you want to use cast iron. Those are butter that I'm gonna put on this side. I also have leek. So they put them on this side here. Red bell pepper, green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, leek, and some red onions. Alright guys, now I'm gonna add some butter. Especially on the vegetable. I just added some butter. The butter's melting. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. We have the onions, we have some leeks. I'm going to add a little bit of oil. And now I'm going to mix the vegetables in. Take one. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, now this is the final stage of the fajita the Haitian way. Oh my gosh, this smells incredible. And the taste, oh my gosh, amazing. And it was so quick and easy too. Probably took like 15 minutes. And we can put some parsley to make it look pretty.